Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is your Windows PC or laptop running frustratingly slow? If so, you are in the exact right place. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to transform your sluggish Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer and boost it to its maximum performance, completely for free, without spending a single dime on new hardware. By following these simple tweaks, you will instantly notice less lag, fewer system freezes, and much faster app loading times. Make sure to follow every single step carefully so you don't miss anything important. If you're new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's dive straight into it. Alright, our very first step is to clean up your background apps by disabling unnecessary startup programs. When you turn on your computer, a lot of applications automatically launch themselves in the background, which heavily drains your system resources and slows everything down. To fix this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape together on your keyboard to bring up the Task Manager. From the left-hand menu, navigate to the Type Startup Apps tab. Take a look at the list and find apps you don't need running immediately at boot, like Spotify, Skype, or OneDrive. Simply right-click on them and select Disable. This will drastically reduce your PC's boot time and free up your RAM. The second method is to clear out all the hidden temporary clutter and junk files that accumulate inside Windows over time. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type in %temp% and hit enter. This will open up a folder filled with cache data. Press Ctrl plus A to select absolutely everything inside, right click, and hit delete. If a message pops up saying some files are currently in use, just check the box and click Skip. Once that's done, open the Run box again. Type prefetch, press enter. And delete everything inside that folder using the exact same steps. This will quickly clear up storage space and improve your drive's read/write efficiency. third and incredibly crucial step is to adjust the Windows power plan so your system can unleash its full potential. By default, Windows sets your computer to a balanced mode, which often throttles your processor's true speed to save energy. Go to your Windows search bar, type in Control Panel, and open it. From there, click on Power Options. You should see a plan named High Performance or Ultimate Performance. Go ahead and select that option. This tells your computer to deliver maximum processing power whenever you need it. The fourth method is a massive lifesaver, especially if you are working on a budget or lower-end PC. Windows includes a lot of fancy animations and shadows that look nice, but consume a surprising amount of RAM and CPU cycles. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows in the Windows search bar and open the system utility. You will see an option that says Adjust for Best Performance. Click on that, and it will automatically turn off the heavy animations. Your operating system will instantly feel snappier and incredibly fast. Click Apply, then hit OK. And there you have it. By using these 4 straightforward optimization methods, you can dramatically boost your Windows PC's performance. Once you finish all these steps, make sure to give your computer a quick restart to apply all the changes cleanly. If this video helped you bring your PC back to life, please leave a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and drop your feedback in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more practical tech guides, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.